Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Melina and today we're gonna do a full makeup transformation on this airplane that's in the air. So we're gonna start with my moisturizer and I'm gonna put it all over my face. Keep in mind that I do have to wear my mask because of the COVID and all of that. And I do keep looking back because the flight attendants are literally sitting in front of me because I did get first class. But anyways, so I started with my moisturizer and now I'm looking for my foundation and my beauty blender. And oh my god, it is so hard to put all this on. Actually, that was my eye cream that I put on, but I lost the clip. So you guys, if you're enjoying the video or want to watch me do a full makeup transformation, plant videos or travel videos, please do subscribe. Anyways, I'm taking a beauty blender and my favorite foundation and I apply it everywhere and it went everywhere, even in my hair. Oh my god. This was so hard, you guys, trying to put on foundation and like not having a mirror. I was looking on my phone, but yeah. And then I was lucky that my fiance was next to me, because if there was a full stranger and me trying to do my makeup, I would probably be too shy. Anyways, you guys, we're moving on to concealer. I'm using the LA Pro concealer and I'm concealing away these bags under my eyes and I'm snatching my nose. And you guys, I got all this foundation and concealer on my mask. Oh my god, it was so hard not to get this mask dirty, but oh well. I had other masks, but yeah. And I keep looking at the flight attendants because everybody, this was morning time, you guys, so everybody was just looking at me with my bright ass light because I had a ring light, and people were probably like frustrated with me. My fiance was sleeping, he could sleep through anything. And yeah, so anyways, back to the makeup, you guys. So I'm just blending everything out, and now we're gonna move on to my favorite powder, the Airspun Coty, which is so affordable, you guys. Yeah, so I'm blending everything together so it could look seamless and it can cover everything and I could look more awake. So now I'm using this highlight powder and I'm gonna put it everywhere that I need that illumination. And yeah, so you guys, the flight attendants kept looking at me. I was so embarrassed, but you know what, I said I don't care, I'm gonna do my makeup because I'm going to Vegas. By the way, this trip was going to Vegas because one of my fiance's friends was having a birthday. So yeah, we went to Vegas. I went to Vegas for the first time. It was so fun. Anyways, back to the makeup. Here I'm using the Sweet Peach palette and I'm using the browns as a contour. And you guys, there's no rules in makeup. Like, I use eyeshadows as contours whenever I travel. I try to pack I try to pack less stuff, so I'm not gonna take all my makeup, like my contour kits and all that, when I could just take an eyeshadow, you know. But yeah, so I'm getting my neck because you don't want like a mask. But yeah, so now I'm doing my eyebrows. I'm filling in my natural eyebrow and I'm using the Anastasia I think it's the number 2 or number 4. I could link it for you guys. To do my eyebrows, I love this brush, and then one side has the angled brush and then the other side has the spoolie. But yeah, you guys, so I'm like not even showing you how I do my eyebrows. Oh my god, I'm so sorry, but I do need a mirror for this. Yeah, so when you do eyebrows, do little strokes so you can fill in your eyebrow. But yeah, my eyebrows actually turned out really good, you guys. So here I'm just filling it in. So next, I am grabbing the spoolie side, and this is what makes your eyebrows so natural, you guys. When you use a little spoolie, it makes the eyebrow look more natural. It like disperses like the product everywhere so evenly that it makes your eyebrows look natural, like you don't have any makeup. See? And here now I'm gonna put some. I actually used mascara, you guys. I don't have any brow gel. I used the mascara because my eyebrows are dark, like a dark brown, almost a black. So I say, whatever, let me just use my mascara, and it works. My eyebrows don't go anywhere, they don't sweat off. Anyways, going back with that Sweet Peach palette, I'm using some natural colors to do my eyeshadow, so some browns and then some champagne colors for the lid eyeshadow. So here I'm just blending away the natural browns with Morphe brushes, you guys. I love Morphe brushes because they're so affordable. You can get them anywhere now. There's Morphe stores everywhere, and that's my favorite brush from Sigma, the blending brush. I'm also going with this little precise brush underneath my eyes and putting all this smokiness together, you guys. Now I'm using my finger and I'm grabbing that champagne eyeshadow that I told you guys about, and I'm working it in on the lid because I feel like your finger works better than the brush. And now, oh my god, for the hard part, you guys, I'm gonna attempt to do my winged liner. Oh my god. So yeah, I'm using this little, that same angled brush that I do my eyebrows. I love it because you can do winged liners so good. The Anastasia brush, and I'm using the Maybelline darkest black liner. This is a gel liner, so yeah. With liner, I can just say, take your time, breathe. Don't hold your breath, you're gonna pass out. And yeah, just do little strokes and fill in the lines, connect the lines. So I'm filling it in with eyeshadow to secure that gel. Yep, that's my secret. I put a black eyeshadow to seal in that gel, you guys. So now y'all know my secret. So far, so good. I feel like I did a really good job here in the air. And, well, maybe not. I'm gonna go over it again. Like, I'm such a perfectionist. I have to do it again, you guys. Okay, now I'm curling my lashes here. I'm trying to be careful not to put my eye or anything. And now we're doing mascara, and the plane kind of moved a little bit. There was some turbulence going from Dallas to Las Vegas, Nevada. Oh my god, so I had to be careful. Yeah, I did it. I didn't poke my eye. Now we're moving on to lashes. Oh my god, this was kind of easy, you guys. It didn't take me that long, actually, and yeah. So, this is actually the finished result, you guys. Did I put a lip on? I don't think I put lips because I couldn't take my mask off. So, yeah, this was the finished result. I hope you guys like it. And if you want more videos of me doing my makeup in random places, let me know. I'll try to find other places to do my makeup. But yeah, my name's Melina. I hope you enjoyed my video. And if you like my video, subscribe. Give me likes. See you next time.